What is up, y'all? How are y'all doing today? Today I'm going to show you guys in Movie Studio 17 and any movie studio before Magic's the garbage took over Movie Studio, back when it was still Sony Vegas, back when it was still epic and good, how to do Chroma key, how to take out the green screen. These animations you can find on YouTube on any Google search, basic like and subscribe animations, but they have a green screen. I'm going to show you how to take that out. It's very simple. First, I'm going to go right here. I'm going to zoom in so you can see it. This little symbol right here is an add tracks, event FX. Now what you want to do is choose your, I usually have my chroma key already, but I'm going to click this little plus symbol right there. Let me go back, be a little bit slower. This plus symbol right here, click that where it says plugins chain. Click on that. Now I'm going to find chroma keyer right here. Double click that. You're going to hit OK. Now you're going to go to that chroma key right here. Click on the color. Now this is important. You can try to choose a green if you wanted to, but it's best to get the perfect color shade that you're looking for. To do that, click on this pen right here. This is going to let you choose any color you want to chroma key out. So we're going to choose, I got my cursor over the green, playing where the green screen part is. So that way I have the exact green I want. I'm going to click on that. And now boom, that green is now out of the picture. I'm going to exit out of that. And now we can hit play. If you did, make sure y'all squish that like button. Let me know what y'all think in the comments below. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. Slap the notification bell for future videos coming out just like this one. Check out this video. Yeah guys, that is how that works. And again, just like the animation said, make sure y'all squish that like button. Let me know if y'all want to see any more of these types of tutorials. I know I used to do these a lot. I have not done them in a while. Mostly been doing gameplay stuff and game tutorials. But if you want to see more of this kind of editing kind of thing and thumbnail stuff, let me know, y'all. And y'all, check out this last video I did on how to share your save files from Motel Manager Simulator, which is really the same instructions for any save file in any Steam game or any Steam game, pretty much Xbox Game Pass too, I believe. Pretty much how to find those save files and how to share them. Check that video out, guys, and y'all have an awesome day.